Today we're going to have a lesson in changing properties. You all understand how layers work. Let's check out how the layers are set up in this plan. We have layers that are different colors. We have layers that are different line types. And as you remember that when you draw on a layer, it assumes the properties that you have given to that layer. So we will start by drawing on layer 0. Layer 0 has white lines, it has continuous lines, and it is unlocked. So let's close this, and let's just draw a circle. Because it's on the hidden line, we switch to the hidden line layer. See how with the hidden line layer we have the dashed lines. So I'm going to kill that. I'm going to change to a 0 layer and draw a circle. And now you see that it takes on the properties of that layer. But let's say we want to change the properties on this. So if we hover over the object, we right click, and let's try again. Hover over it, right click, go down to where it says Properties, and it will open the Properties panel. Another way to open the Properties panel is simply to type Properties and select it. So the circle is selected, and you see how the color says by layer. The layer 0, the line type says by layer, the line weight is by layer, etc. So if I change the layer, I'm going to change it to the hidden line, then we see that it assumes the properties of that layer. And that is because everything up here says by layer. If by chance you want to have something on a particular layer, but you want it to assume one property that's different from the layer, you simply change that. So let's say we're going to leave the line type dashed because this is the hidden line layer. I'm sorry. Okay, so it's on the hidden line layer. But we want to leave it dashed, but we want to change the color. So instead of leaving the color by layer, we're going to click on that, hit the button, and change it to whatever color we want. So it is still on the hidden line layer. See, when we click it, it's still on the hidden line layer, but the color says red, not by layer.